Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Yoco Kumo. This is a little card machine from Yoco. I've unboxed the previous little ones and the smaller ones. This one it doesn't need a cell phone to connect. It's already got a SIM card built in. So let's just quickly have a look at how it looks and yeah, see if we switch it on. This one comes pre-set up from Yoco. Let's just put it there. Okay, so there it says, how's it? Let's get you paid. And inside you've got a little booklet, just a quick start guide that shows you what to do, what buttons does. Got your volume up and down, and power button there, charging port, card swipe location. This one I see it's got a camera, it's got a scanner, so this machine has got a lot more features than the other one. And yeah, there's the steps to just get you started, and then just a few things how to quickly do a few transactions with this machine. And you also get stickers for your windows. Also this little card stand that just shows you that you accept card transactions, and some more stickers. I guess you can put these on your car if you drive around with the machine. Okay, nice. You also get this little like security strap. This will just go through there. You can attach that to the machine, and then it uses a charger. This is, I believe, Type C. Yeah, it's a Type C cable and just your normal charging brick. I think, yeah, Apple can just take some notes here. But in any case, so let's get the machine. So there you see you've got your charging port on the side. This is where you will pull through cards. It's got tap. You can tap cards. It's a touch screen. Your SIM card, I believe, goes underneath here, but this one is already inserted, so I don't want to open it up now. And there's like a HD camera. So I don't know if you want to take pictures of transactions, and this is like a barcode scanner. Let's switch it on. This is the actual time that it'll take to switch on. Starting up. I think it's looking for signal. Yeah. Searching for 4G network. This has also got Wi-Fi. So I believe you can rather use Wi-Fi than the 4G network if the Wi-Fi connection is better than that. Okay, let's get you paid. I think it's now waiting for a card. So you do your first transaction and it just does the little transaction to test the machine, and you're off and ready to go. So this is how it looks, the size of the machine, and yeah. Alright, so this is how the interface will look. You've got a few menus here at the bottom, and then you've got your settings menu. Let me just go there. Settings, that's at the home page. Here you can set up Wi-Fi, check for updates, card machine settings, and yeah, about the machine. Check out the stuff here. So this machine has just got a better screen and interface than the smaller machines, and this is a standalone thing, so it's very easy to do transactions and stuff on this. So yeah, that's how it looks and what you get when you buy this little Yoco machine. The Kumo is the one with card already in there I think it's got 2 SIM cards, so it can pick between 2 different networks, and we've also connected this one to our Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's how it looks, and thanks for watching.